Hello guys, this is Professor Dobbins-Beck and I just wanted to walk you through a quick tutorial to introduce you to the online database or the online portal for our course. Maybe some of you have never taken an online course before, so this is just a quick walkthrough of how to get started. So if you log into your MyHack portal, this is probably what your screen looks like. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Brightspace link up here on the right upper corner. And that will take you into D2L, which is HAC's online CMS system here. Okay, so once you do that, you should arrive at a page that looks similar to this. And you're going to locate our class in this list of classes, okay? So right now, this is the view from my page. This is a list of classes that I'm teaching and or building right now. Our class is going to be called something different, but for now, this is what our class is. So I'm going to click on this shell, and this will take us to our course. I'm going to switch over as a student right now so that I can actually more closely represent what you see on my screen. So this is what your screen should look like. You can see here that the first thing that pops up is a news feed. This is where I'm going to put any kind of information about upcoming modules or any information that I'd like you to know in a more immediate sense, okay? So when you log in, it's the first thing that you'll see. By the time you watch this video, this is likely to look a little bit different than it does now. But nevertheless, you can see what it is. And so from here, you actually want to enter the course content by going up to this navigation bar and clicking on Content. And on the drop-down menu, click Content again. And this will take you to all of the course content, okay? So along this left-hand menu, you can see that there are a number of different things for you to check out, including the course schedule, which will give you a list of deadlines, due dates, table of contents, which shows you everything in the course, and Start Here is where the course information will begin, and it's where you probably found this video. So from this point, which again, this will look different by the time you watch the video, you can click through to each module. And for each module, you will see a category, an overview, a content category, and an assessment category. And you will click on the overview first so that you can get a sense of what the module is going to cover and what the expectations are for that module and what kinds of things you're going to need to accomplish. And each of these overview sections will contain a checklist, which is actually a really nice way for you to check off what you need to do to complete each module. So it's just a simplified version for you to check yourself and make sure that you did everything that you needed to do. Okay, so for this section, there's an assessment section and a reading section. And you can kind of check these off for yourself just to keep track. And you can click right through this into the course content then. So just use this right navigation bar and click Next, and it'll take you right into the reading for that module. And then again, once you enter the reading for the module, you can continue to click through, and reach the assessment section. So this gives you an overview of the ways that you'll be assessed for this module, okay? So it's pretty standard. All of the tabs are marked according to which module we're on and which category of information you'll find. But if you have any questions or you're not finding something that you really want to find, you can always reach out to me. You just click on this email icon up here and you compose a new message to me within this, okay? And I will get back to you usually within a couple of hours at the latest. Okay, so that's it for now. I guess one other thing I want to add is that for each assessment that you do, there will be a rubric available as well for you to measure that against. You know, a clarification of the expectations for that assignment. And those kinds of things you can keep track of under this tab, Assessments. You can just click on the Rubrics category, and that'll take you to a list of rubrics used for each of the assessments, as well as any quizzes. Of course, quizzes won't be available ahead of time, but every time a module begins, the quiz will be available for that module, so you can find it here. And then, of course, a great way to keep track of your grades is by clicking the Grades tab. And then Dropbox will be used also for you to upload papers and things, depending on the assignment. So that's another good category for you to know up here in this menu. Okay, again, reach out if you have any questions, and that's it for now.